Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Victorinox Classic SD. This is a little tool to mostly wear on your keychain. So it has the little pen blade, a file and screwdriver, and scissors. Pretty small but very accurate and sharp. And also the complementary tweezers and toothpick. And I guess that if you count it as a tool, the keyring. So this is a really great and small multi-tool. I would I carried it on my keychain when I was starting out, I guess, buying all this gear and knives and so on and so on and so on. And it accompanied me for a long time until I got the, what's it called? The signature light, and I switched over because even though the tweezers and the toothpick it's useful, that for me the the light and the pen were a little bit more useful to carry on me on my keychain, but this is a really great multi-tool. I got it for 10 euros or something, really cheap, and you can get it for 12, 15 euros. Like it's really a great multi-tool. I would, if you don't have something on your keychain like this or some other small Victorinox tool, even a Leatherman or a Gerber, I definitely advise you to get this one to start, because it's really light. It's even probably a little bit more heavy than 2 keys. So after you put it there, you just forget it's there, and when you actually need it, you will feel really happy that it's there. Like when you need to really cut something, would it be with your knife or with your scissors, you're just glad it's there. Or even if you have like a little bit of food stuck in your teeth, the toothpick is useful. Or if you got a splinter, you just appreciate the fact that you took the time to buy this and put it on your keychain, which is 5 minutes maybe of your time. So yeah, I would really advise you to get this tool. Yeah, so for 10, 15 euros, even 20 euros,